Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you my portfolio. Actually there are two portfolios, so portfolios to be more precise, and this is just a walkthrough, not anything related to code, but just I wanted to show you guys about my portfolio. I have recently spent a lot of time making it, and that's why just here to show you guys, not here to flex or anything else. I hope you find this portfolio pretty interesting. So my description goes by a programmer who can fix your computer and hack into your neighbor's Wi-Fi, because my skills, they are pretty vast. So that's why I like to describe myself in this way, because you might have heard about the memes all around that a programmer cannot fix your computer and a programmer won't hack into a Wi-Fi if you are asking a programmer to do that. But yes, all right, I'm not one of that programmer. I'm expanding my skills, not flexing over here. Please don't criticize me on the comments. All right, so this is just some points about myself. Not a competitive programmer. And now just talking about my skills, they are AWS, Azure, some programming languages, Flask, Flutter, Git, HTML, web development, GitHub, SQL, databases, Python, PyTorch, React, TensorFlow, and scikit-learn. Actually, this Flutter and React, I'm actually learning in this, but I only decided to put them because I won't be changing this a lot of time. So I said, all right, learn them in future, put them at this moment. So these are my skills. My recent project was www.cryptech.tech. It is a website for an institute called Cryptech, where I am a software developer. I am currently learning Python, data structures, and a lot of new technologies. um, I'm recently working on Python projects. I'm more oriented towards Python nowadays, and you can reach me anytime. I have a personal website, and yep, nothing, just computers and games. These are my GitHub stats. I know they are not that good, but yes, I have recently started actually learning how GitHub works. So yeah, I believe that they are worth putting on the portfolio part. And what else I have a support me. You can always buy me a coffee. You buy me a coffee, I convert that coffee into code. And you can connect me on LinkedIn and YouTube, also Twitter, whose link will be in the description. Some projects and these contribution. Lately you'll be seeing like 9% code reviews and 10% pull requests. These all of these three all of these code reviews and pull requests have been done in these 3 days. I was learning how to do that, and GitHub is actually very fun to learn. And I suggest everyone to learn GitHub, because a lot of people on GitHub, they don't know how to use GitHub. They are only there as a place where they can push their own repositories, but it is such a great place for open source working, and I fell in love with this working, so that's why I'm suggesting you. So now let's go to my portfolio website. All right, so the URL is tanishkakohli.codes, and this is a JavaScript code that erases itself and rewrites all apart. I'm a student, a coder, and a developer. All right, it will just keep changing, so let's just skip that part and go to the next section. I am a student, an aspiring ethical hacker, blockchain and machine learning enthusiast. This is a pretty older description. I'd like to change it, as well as I will be showing you my resume at the end of this video. So stay tuned, as I've spent a lot of time, to make that resume. All right, my certifications that I have checking certification, Python, IBM, Google, and GUI. GUI is, an IIT Madras funded institute that teaches data science and Python and AI and ML, and they are pretty awesome. I would suggest you guys to check out GUI, and they give special discounts to students. This is not a paid promotion, but I like them, so that's why I'm giving them a shout out. My education and my percentages, rest my skills, programming, networking, algorithms, these are all pretty much out of date. I need to update them. So by the time you will be going on tanishkoli.codes, maybe next month, you will see a better website and a better user interface, as well as updated skills. My certifications, they are also pretty much outdated. not outdated but not updated, because there are some certifications that I need to put over here, like Azure. I've recently completed Azure AZ900 global certification, as well as some Python related stuff. So you can see all of my certifications over that place using this button. And blockchain, algorithm toolbox, cyber threat intelligence, deep learning, and these are just some of them. You can check them out on that tab. I'm not flexing over here, I'm just trying to show you guys my work, and just here to show you guys my work, not to flex. All right, recent project, this tab is also yet to be updated. By the time my GitHub, I was busy learning GitHub, so that's why I didn't have time to update this portfolio. So I'm a founder of startup called Network Infotech Solutions, which we'll talk about just in a minute. So let's just skip this and end this website for a while. I'm available freelancing and my contact details and just footer. All right, so let's just talk about my startup called Network Infotech Solutions. Let's go to its website as well. So the website is networkinfotechsolutions.tech. You can visit it uh, easily. Even we are available on Google. So this website is indexed on Google. That is what I meant by that. This is a service-based startup where we provide quality services to everyone at affordable price. We troubleshoot, we provide hardware upgradation, we provide PC assembling, we also do annual maintenance contract, networking, programming, automation, and basically we do everything that is related to computers, from hardware to software to networking. Each and every part is covered in this startup. And just telling you all about the work that we do, about our annual maintenance contracts. They are pretty easy. They are pretty easy to understand, as well as they are lit. To be more accurate, they are lit. All right. Numbers of years of experience and system engineers, as well as number of happy customers. We have had 500 plus customers. We have had 3+ years of experience, but the past 2 years that was locked down, so we were also providing door-to-door services. So that was pretty hard time for a startup, if you guys know. Anand sir is basically our head of this startup as well, and these are my friends uh, who are also pretty good at everything that they do. Frequently ask questions, and then some testimonials of our customers, of our happy customers, and our blocks. You can see all the blocks with this button, and just some hacking blocks and some programming blocks are there. Blogs are there. Sorry, and you can contact us using this form and another footer. All right, so this is all in this website. I would also like to show you guys my resume. So all right, let's go to my resume. And yeah, this is my resume. I work as a software developer at Cryptech. That is why I'm using software developer below my name. These are my contact details, some skills, programming languages that I know, and then some strengths. Also, career summary, founder of Cryptech Network and Protect Solutions, sorry, developer at Cryptech. My education background, internship. This was an internship at SmartBridge, sponsored by IBM. In machine learning, I've been doing freelancing, some professional certifications that I need to update it on my portfolio that I was talking about. It's Azure Fundamentals, Google IT Automation, CH, DSA, C certified hardware and network engineer as well. Some projects that are available on my GitHub, you can check them out. They are pretty cool. As well as this 100 days of code. I'm working on 100 days of code version 2.0. It's going to be so much awesome. And there is a lot of things that I have to tell you guys. But don't worry, stay with me. And yeah, that's all for this video. And see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay coding, keep coding. Well, you can also stay coding, stay coder. That sounds better. Yes. Till the next video, keep coding, stay safe. See you guys in the next video.